boy, if you don't get
douchebag. Okay. Hey guys, so today is gonna be an exciting video. I am I'm doing my very first drum roll collaboration. Woo! Insert audience applause. With this is my very old friend, Cristen. I don't want to say it wrong. Diarra, Cristen Diarra. She is also an aspiring YouTuber as myself. So
shout out to all the small YouTubers.
Yes, we gonna get there, yo. Just working our way up the charts. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, definitely check out her YouTube channel. I will put her link in the description box down below. Yeah. We are doing an all natural video, as you can tell.
No makeup.
Natural puffs and
except
effects.
This is a wig, but under here is some locks.
Yeah.
So just no.
Wait, you're going dreadlocks? Really? That's so lit.
Yeah, you can kind of feel them.
Okay. I just don't know how to explain it. Today, we is doing a video, and we gonna do some DIY for you. Okay. So, let's just get right into it. We're gonna do some DIY face scrub and mask. First, we're gonna make an exfoliating facial scrub. Ooh, sexy. Okay, so what you're gonna need for the facial scrub is, Cristen, what are we gonna need for the facial scrub? So I had to send her my notes because I can't film and look at the same time. Okay. So, exfoliating facial scrub. You're gonna need 3 tablespoons of ground coffee. You need 1 tablespoon of natural oil, an oil of your choice. Today's choice is coconut oil. And I'm using the Vita Coco 100% organic and virgin oil. And then you gonna need 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, babe. Good. And you know, since we are doing and using these things on our face, I tried to make sure that all this stuff was like natural and like healthy and I guess organic. Is that what they say? Yeah. And if you don't have coconut oil, you can use another oil like olive oil, grapeseed oil, or almond oil, whatever oil you prefer. But coconut is the best. This thing says eat it, wear it, swear by it.
You can put coconut oil everywhere.
You can put that shit on everything.
On your eyelashes, your eyebrows, your head, your body, your coochie.
Oh my God!
What you're also gonna need to mix it and stuff is bowls. You might need some spoons and a few towels. Yeah, might get a little messy. Okay.
Go crazy.
So, ooh. Okay, so I guess we just want to eyeball these measurements. We don't got time to be going back and forth and getting measurements. Right, this is a tablespoon, right? Okay. So you're going to take 3 tablespoons of ground coffee, right? I think that's what it said.
Yeah.
Those. Trace. Do that. I actually wanted some coffee this morning and I didn't get it. You like coffee? You don't?
But I like the smell of it though.
It smells so good, and I don't like my coffee black either. I have to put a whole lot of sugar and cream in it. 3 tablespoons, baby. She was confused. No, it's okay. Because this is just for like the exfoliating effect. So we're going to put all the dry ingredients in first before we get with the oil and the slickness and you know. So we're going to open up this brown sugar. Brown sugar stinks. It smells weird. And this is organic, so. Ew. Is it good? I think it just always stinks.
Maybe it's because it's organic.
I don't know. 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Dump it in your mix. Like
It's a
such.
big bag too.
I know. They didn't have no small bags. I would have got a smaller bag.
That's
And I just
alright.
took the coffee from my house.
Yeah.
Me and my mom love coffee. All right. Next, we're gonna go in with our 100% virgin organic coconut oil. Yeah, yeah.
Oh, help. I don't know what that's.
No, my mom always does that too. It does something.
Okay,
I was
wait.
struggling with
Daddy?
this before I left my house. Wait, try it with the towel. Put the towel
Use
in
all the
there.
remedies.
Yep. We don't need it, man. His name, too. He's getting feisty. Jedi's
Oh,
getting
got it.
feisty. You did?
Oh.
You're a strong black woman.
You better know it.
Melt it down now. Alright. Cause it's hot.
Yeah.
It like melted.
It's hot as Satan's feet.
Just try to
outside.
get. You can like dig down, stir it up, try to get some of the good stuff, and just plop that. Ew, that doesn't look pleasing.
Bloop.
And this is what you should have so far. So we got the coffee grounds, brown sugar, and the coconut oil, and we're just gonna mix that up really fine, really well. I hope this works. It looks like it's working.
Okay.
Like it's supposed to be a face scrub, so it's like
Go on here from go on.
go ahead from here.
Go on now.
What's your little
No.
scratch yourself?
No.
Hey,
No.
hey.
He's trying to pull the keys down.
Oh, he likes keys.
No, he just like
I
touches
got the
stuff.
keys, the keys, the keys. You're like a little child. Jedi, look at him. Nosy.
Oh, now you want to go, huh? Because you on camera. You think we need more
Coconut oil, yeah, I was gonna say that because like a lot of my stuff is like not really
It's kind of, but like,
mixed in.
yeah.
Ah, he did it.
Yeah.
Bless up. My assistant will be right back. What? Is that the thunder? No, that's the thunder, bruh. Oh my, could you hear that? I wonder if I can hear, you can hear that in the footage. Aww, that's okay. Well, if we have to make another plan, that's fine.
Oh, girl.
I was waiting for more. I'm sorry. No. All right, we're gonna add a little more coconut oil because it's like not really scrubby, I guess. This is supposed to be like a scrub. So you want it to be a little juicy. I'm not juicy, but you know what I'm saying. Like
Juicy booty.
it has to be a little wet because if I'm just putting all this coffee on my face, I'm gonna just scratch all my skin off. You can just call me no skin girl. Skin girl. Oh my gosh. I swear my jokes be corny, but I be dying.
People be like, Kristen, what's so funny, bruh? I am hilarious.
Exactly, son. Like what?
Why
I
don't you
swear.
laugh? Why don't you laugh as much?
Why you no laughing? Why so serious?
Yeah, you might have to just keep.
Yeah, and just
coconut oil
like
until-
keep adding coconut oil until it gets to a good consistency that you would like. Like this is getting better.
Yeah.
It's a little. How's yours looking? Yeah, you need more. You need more. Wait.
Yes, mom.
I want you to be all the way in the camera. Oh wait.
Oh, hello.
Ew. Wait, let's not put that one there. Yeah. I'm just not gonna touch it anymore because every time I move it, yeah.
All right. Yeah. Now. Okay. Now.
Now we're talking. Now we're cooking with grease. No, we're cooking with coconut oil. Not sponsored.
No way.
Oh, I forgot to mention. It's Pride Month, if you couldn't tell by my
I don't have the colors on. That's
it's
all right.
okay. We were supposed to be matching, but it's all
I
good.
could buy my shirt.
It happens. But it is Pride Month, and this weekend is the Pride Parade in DC, which we're supposed to be going to. If you can hear that thunder, I don't know. The way this rain is set up today, I don't know.
I don't know.
We might have to make different moves, but
if it's Pride Month almost, so it's probably gonna be something
More
more
events.
after this parade.
Oh,
tonight.
okay. Okay. So yeah.
You know, if push come to shove, girl.
So look out for that vlog.
Girl, I got some clothes for you. We can. Oh,
Damn. Okay. Why are we still
I
mixing
don't
this?
know.
It's already
I don't
mixed.
know.
It's been mixed like for the past 5 minutes. We just keep, but we're having fun. It's so
We're chit chatting.
right. It's like a chit chat, DIY.
Talk about our lives.
Okay,
Girl.
so now we hot. Ooh, hey Aaron.
Dang, I'm hot.
Wait, did I tell you to put the sunflower by my name?
No, I just did it.
Wow, that
And you wanna know something? My favorite flower is sunflower.
mine too. And I always tell people to put the sunflower by my name when
Really?
they put my name in my
No,
their
because
phone.
you have it like that on Instagram, don't you? You have a flower
Yes.
next to
Yeah. That's so crazy. Did you
Lightning?
see that lightning, bro?
thought it was my
I felt it like in my eyeball. Like that was weird.
It was like a camera flash.
Yeah, that was so bright. So, a little rundown about this facial scrub. It will help eliminate dead skin while working with your body's natural renewal process to produce new skin cells, which creates the glowing effect everybody wants. So let's do this. All right.
So you, how did,
This is why we're not beauty gurus. I'm about to put this on with a spoon, girl.
make sure your faces are like pretty much clean.
Yeah. Like I've showered and washed my face.
Help! I'm just about to be real. Okay, I'm gonna just take my hand.
Yeah, you know what? It's gonna get all of my nails, but that's what we have
That's
soap
okay.
and water for.
You know what?
What? Yeah.
Let's get a little dirty.
Yeah.
This
Ooh,
smells
right?
Wait a minute.
And it smells good.
It does.
Like
With the
smells
coconut,
like
with the
coconut oil and the coffee. Great combo.
I look like I have like aftershave.
Or it's like a 3 o'clock show. No, wait. Why is
This
so
feels nice.
sweet? It actually feels really good. And this is not just for my ladies. This is for my ladies. This is not just for my ladies. Because you know, my boys, I need y'all to take care of y'all skin.
Okay, and your nails. You know, like just all maintenance.
Just everything.
Do that.
Put lotion on your knees, your kneecaps, your elbows, everywhere. Moisturize,
on who?
soaperize,
Like somebody's
waterize, mocha chocolate,
caramel
drink a latte.
Mm-hmm.
Like,
Come get us.
wow. This, why does, like,
This
I don't know
smells
why I
so
feel like I
good.
look better with this on my face.
Okay,
Like,
I
it's like a filter, but it looks good. Like,
It's like popping.
yeah. Ooh, and it feels so good. It smells so bomb.
My nails is real brown and
Real
doodle-ish.
brown. Doodle, doodle brown. Doodle brown. But yeah. So just massage it in, scrub it in for like 5-10 minutes and
Should I
just
get it all?
get all the smells and yeah.
This is
Definitely gonna fast forward through this part. But it feels really good.
I'm just
Try
adding
not to
more
go too hard, cause
I'm just like adding more to
I
my
know. It's like fun.
Alright, let me
This
get
is
this other
fun.
hand dirty.
But yeah, it's moist. Scrub it around. Get your forehead. Get your cheeks.
Gizzy eyebrows.
Yeah, bro. Ooh, ooh.
Don't be afraid, girl. Own that ponytail.
Work that up, dude. Like this video, if you remember that. Oh, what was that show called?
Saturday Night Live. It was on Saturday Night Live.
No.
What are you talking about? You talking about that?
My little croissant.
Yeah, that was on Saturday.
That was Saturday Night Live? Wow, that's a throwback Saturday Night Live.
It sure
then.
was, cause you know that was a whole
I thought that
female.
was like this show. I know. I thought that was this show on Comedy Central. It was like a different show. That was
It
wow.
was.
It was Saturday
I was just watching
night.
it the other day.
Oh my god.
This
That's
is
so crazy.
amazing.
All right.
I think our skin is gonna feel like
Our
so
skin
soft.
is gonna feel like a baby's bottom, and if it doesn't,
I'm gonna have to call these people.
I'm calling
the fashion police.
the fashion police. Whoever,
The
no,
booty
I'm calling.
gurus.
I'm calling whoever website I got this off.
The booty gurus.
Whoever booty guru told me about this, you're fired.
You.
It's like only if it doesn't work, but I'm pretty sure because the
It
way
feels good.
this is feeling
Like, get your hands dirty for real. Because
Yeah.
you're gonna get in these pores.
in the pores.
You get in these pores. Get in my belly.
Okay. All right. Are we ready?
I think so. Wait, did I get?
Yes. Get the.
Don't be afraid about the wig, man. That's gonna come out. Okay, you can wash the rest.
You can wash this all out.
Just snatch the whole wig off.
If you need to, don't be afraid.
Don't
Don't be
be
afraid to snatch it, honey.
Get up.
Okay, we need to go wipe this off. Hopefully when you rinse, to use like warm water, not like boiling hot, but warm water. And then just pat your face dry, sis. Pat it dry. Like, if you could feel my skin, it feels like
The bottom of somebody's.
smooth sailing. The bottom of somebody's what?
I'm in baby's bottom.
The bottom of somebody's. Have you ever heard of Graveyard Girl? She's a YouTuber. Oh, she'd be like, does this thing really work? It really works, bruh. That,
Oh. Definitely try this at home, kids.
definitely try it at home. No supervision needed unless you just, I don't know. Reckless. The coconut oil is an effective moisturizer. As you can see, I don't even need to put moisturizer on now because that coconut oil got my skin feeling like, ooh.
But my skin feels amazing. Like
Like-
soft and just like you could kiss my face all night.
succulent all night. Coconut oil prevents dryness and flaking, and it treats different skin problems like psoriasis and dermatitis, eczema. I don't know about you, but I actually do got eczema, and coconut oil be helping me with my skin that like keep it real smooth. And it also delays wrinkles and sagging of the skin. So 10 out of 10, highly recommend like that facial scrub. Like, look at my face.
Wow.
Like, I cannot.
I'm
Doesn't it
shook
feel so
still.
good?
I'm still shook.
Like, I'm shooketh. Like, look at this glow. So yeah, if you watched this video and you liked it, definitely give it a thumbs up. You can comment down below something nice, something cool. I don't know.
or any other like DIY stuff.
Oh
Like,
yeah, comment any other DIY stuff you would like to see us do. We were gonna do a facial scrub and a mask, but
This-
I feel
this
like
joint
this
has
was
to be
like really
shook.
long. And yes, this I'm still shook.
I'm
at
keeping my face like this
skin.
all day.
Like,
Oh, who I'm wearing makeup today?
we will have another video up on her channel as well. So after you finish watching this, go to her channel and watch us get ready for our day.
Oh,
A little get ready with us.
oh.
Thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Peace and love.
And hair grease.
And hair grease. I don't know what else to tell you. Do the facial scrub.
Do it.
Do it.
Do it.
I bet you won't do it.
I bet you. I bet you.